very dangerous situation with regard to health situation of the city. So we must do our job. Let's just eat this day as normal working days for each and every one of us. Must sa atin ang taong bayan. To our friends in the media, we're here today and to the bloggers who are going back and help the city to communicate to our people. Muli po, magandang araw sa inyo. As you all know, I assumed office and went to this building at exactly 12:01 as required by law. And about 2:10, same hour, I received officially the letter communicated to the city government of Manila, wherein the two new contractors of our garbage hauling in the city terminated their operation. Starting today, bagamat hindi kaila sa inyo at sa mga taga-Manila, nailethala sa mga TV news channel, online news channel, at mga periodiko for the past so many weeks. We've been receiving a lot of complaints and requests from the people of Manila to confront the garbage situation of the city. Minabuti ko pong manahimik muna, kolektahin muna yung mga taong bayan. Kailangan perakan po kung kapasidad to act on the matter. But despite of continuous effort of our journalists, online, and television, print, mga media natin, to call the attention of the past administration para sila nagsalita sa tingin kawali. Pagkatapos naman, kanina po may sound system dito, bigla kang wala.
May sound system dito, bigla na wala.
Sabi siya. Even in our broadcast facility, to communicate to our people. But state. But anyway, let's go down to very important. Ito mga petty acquisition na kaya ang mabigat sa problema ngayon ay basura. But again, going back, with the situation 2 weeks ago and the past days, plus today, talagang sasapot ang may sa baho, sa ISO, at higit sa lahat, panahon ng basura sa panusunan na ating. So now, I opted to declare and request the City Council tomorrow, first session day, declare the state of the city state of emergency, health emergency, the entire city of Manila. That's one.
Walang
Two,
traffic eh.
buong kababaang loob ako, nakiusap sa Union Waste Management to utilize all reservoirs existing or available to be dedicated in the entire city of Manila. At salamat naman at positibo to tutugunin ng Buwan for free.
Free daw. Yun ay. Dali.
For free. And tomorrow, we'll deal with the city council about it and all other necessary legal means to acquire the services to immediately confront the problems in the coming days. But for now, we will confront it today by 2 p.m. onwards hanggang madaling araw, hanggang gabi, hindi iligin ang syudad ng Manila.
24 oras na gobyerno.
It's going to be hard. It's not that simple. But I need everyone's cooperation. Kanina medyo mahina yung audio, uulitin ko ngayon. Bukod sa pinag-iusapan ko ang UNED, waste management na kunin ang basura ng walang gastos sa Maynila, inatasan ko na ang Departamento ng City Engineering, DPS, NDRRMO, lahat ng human resources available, equipment available, logistical capacity of the city of Manila to be utilized today, tonight, tomorrow, and so on and so forth. The same manner, inuna lang po natin muna ang mga tagalungsod ng Manila to address it to the people of Manila. But now, let me ask with all humility, the resources of the national government through Metro Manila Development Authority to help us ease the pain and suffering of the people of Manila with regard to the garbage problem. Ako kayo magtanong, I will state some facts. Nga pala, para lang for purposes of transparency, mga online media, television, charista, periodiko, binigyan namin kayo ng CP, ng sulat, official, sulat, messages, article. Binigyan namin kayo. Pero, ang tanong, bakit nagtunaw? Umalala ko ninyo at marami naman napanood ko sa inyo sa mga interview ninyo, tinanong nyo yung nakarang administrasyon, bakit umalis ang UNED sa Manila? At ang sabi noon, ang UNED ay may pagkakautang o kaya rin na dapat bayaran ng syudad worth 561 million pesos. Yun ang itinatid. Hindi raw yun bayarin ang exact word payables ng tao.
Nagkano ako kay Tricia ng
It's called speech.
wala namang ginaba.
Pero
Nagkano rin ako ng
Oktubre pa lamang nag-abiso na ang UNED. At tinapos nila ang kontrata at alam to ng mga driver ng UNED, ng truck, at ang mamamayan ng Luzon, pagkamat hindi sila bayad, tinapos sila ng December 10.
Malamang pala yung bago.
Nila koleksyon
Bilis na ako. Hindi binayaran.
For some reason, I don't know, maybe politics at the expense of our people, pinalita nila, nakakuha naman sila in the likes of Metro Waste,
and Pileco. But the same problem because of financial mismanagement. From 561 million, today as we speak, 950 million na ang bayarin sa basura. At tulad ng naisaad, isa sa kontraktor ng basura, January lang sila pinayaran. Okay, so if you have 561 million, previous obligation, i-minus natin sa 950, almost 400 billion. Hindi rin binayaran ang Metro West at Pileco. Now, can we blame Pileco and Metro West? I don't think so. No businessman, for that matter, can continue to bleed and render service for the sake of our people without getting paid. That's absurd. Kalokohan yun. Kaya, ayun, ako timaan.
Sasabihin
Kaya
natin
ngayon, sakripisyo ang taong bayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Now, therefore, just to assure each and every one of you, alam ko, ano na ito eh, Mr. Bumilakaw naman. But for the meantime, the officials are given directive na sinupli nila at ayusin nila yung mga basura sa kanya-kanyang province. Darating ang siyudad ng Manila, simula ngayong alas 10 ng hapon. Iba ko na nangalian basura na kinain. But, I'm up for the challenge. In spite of all these things, may I want Diyos, makakaraos na. Okay? So I think I said my piece. Now, if there is any more further inquiries, I'm happy to answer each and every one. Yes, please. Makisuyo lamang po sa mga tao sa Bulwagan. Alam ko, 3 taon kayo hindi na nakapasok dito. Alam ko, ito yung Bulwagan at mararamdaman niyo muli na kayo ay welcome dito. Pero for purposes sa ating mga media, meron silang gusto i-clarify para marinig ng lahat ng malinaw. Pwede mo ba tayo tumahimik lang yan sa likod?
Kaya may magtatanong na may
Saglit lang po ito para naman po ito sa katakanan ng informasyon ng ating mga men. Please.
Thanks very much, Congressman. First of all,
Thank you.
sir, ang laki ng mga pera ng Pilipinas na napunta sa basura.
Bayarin, basura.
Sa basura pa lang yan. Ang tanong, sir, may mga
I hope all of you are free today and tomorrow. We will state the city situation.
bukas daw sasagutin ni Yorme.
Every day. Ayoko lang pangunahan yung kabayo, pero ilalahat ko sa inyo ang tunay na pananalapi, sitwasyon pananalapi ang ating pinapaanan. Pero sisiguraduhin ko sa inyo, kailangan yung mag-seatbelt kapag tayo pinanunod sa session bukas. You have to brace yourself.
Kailangan isipin.
Tomorrow, hindi tayo mag-overrace. At in the same manner, as you may see, wala kang binibili dito. Wala kang tinuturo nila. Ini-state ko lang yung tax. But we will confront this. Tomorrow, yes, 950 million as per the city record. From 561, kumuha ng bago, nagsinungaling hindi raw hindi sila binabayaran, o hindi mo bago, hindi binabayaran. So kayo na po ang pag-ilusga. Yes, sige pa, please. Today, sabi ko, tirahin niyo muna, pwede ba makisuyo. Kasi, mga tao na, hygiene, sakit, talagang alam mo yung salitang, alam mo yung nagmamakaawa ka. as a father of the city on behalf of your people. That is the situation. Between the conversation, me and you. And I literally beg if they can do it for free. For all time's sake. Matagal naman na sila nag-input sa kanila.
Galing.
Pagkakaroon po yung business. And they agree. Now, binigyan ko lang sila ng elbow room to utilize everything simultaneously in line also with our resources as a city and in MMDA nakikiusap natin na sabay-sabay alawihin lahat ng basura. Lahat ng obstruction na garbage from the eskinita and so on and so forth. But it will not happen in an hour, tapos na, in 2 hours na. Ano ba naman ang assurance ko sa taong bayan? Kahit kami na, kahit magaling araw na, we will not stop. Kasi if we stop, we are now talking of 2,000 plus metric tons of garbage every day. Use your imagination. If we stop collecting, it will accumulate by tomorrow. It's going to be about 5,000 metric tons available garbage in the city. If we're not going to do it again, it will accumulate and compound. So that's why, ngayon, kalawitin mo na lahat ng nandiyan. Tomorrow, whatever legal means I can acquire before the city council to for immediate para maiwasan yung imminent danger to the health of our people, I will acquire it before the city council. Tomorrow day.
Risky.
No, I just defend you. Ladies first.
Good morning, Mayor. May kailan niyo ba kung hanggang kailan sila kayo mag-iisa Maynila? Yung mas may niyo
Alam mo, gusto ko nga sa oras lang. Pero it's terrible. It's everywhere. May eskinita, sa kanto, sa avenida, sa boulevard, sa highway. It's everywhere. Ito masakit. In fact, kausap ko si engineer kanina. Yung nagbaha last week, o yung masura natin, nasa loob ng lahat. So that's another challenge. So it's going to be challenging in the coming days. Now, with regard to the timeline, the least thing that I can assure you and our people, we will not stop until it's clean. That is our guarantee. No matter hindi na kami matulog, makulit na lang. Para bukas, yung fresh garbage, medyo magaan na, at medyo may semblance of governance na. Based on generally sa gusto.
Mayor, in regards naman po sa pag-ikot na dito sa City Hall, may napansin mo ba kayo?
Di ba ako pwede? Di ba ako pwede? Kasi nga, ako ko, gusto ko, may nagkakaroon problema. I have to address the protected initiative because it concerns the health, ang kalusugan ng mga bayan. Importante alam ng tao bayan. Dahil ko naman yan napuntahan ng mga offices niya. Yung mga nawala. Lang shoes. Pwede yan eh. Mga pwede at pressure yun. Sanay na ako sa ganun. Kasi importante naman yung taong bayan mo na. Ang importante ka ng tao. Makakapag-ipisip naman ako kayo na nag-isa. Yes, sir.
Marshall Lagos actually said, sir, the main issue is that you want to be proactive about the problem ng proactive. But of course, there are those asking for accountability. Halimbawa, meron na almost ₱1 billion na kailangan isusyonan. Meron din ba kayong pursuit for some people to hold accountable?
We will dedicate our time, 2% of it going after those who are liable, administratively and criminally. 90% of our time, we will dedicate it to the people of Manila by serving them and giving them efficient government. There is accountability. That's the least of our problem for the meantime. Because we are in a terrible state. And I don't like that. Kawawa naman ang tao. But yes, there is.
Can you describe in 2% on how it's going to be? I'm not sure ang gagawin ko for to sa burn.
And we'll draw the motion.
Thank you.
Pag-aral ba yun? Mga igualas ko sa DB5.
Sir, sinitap-sinipan mo.
Meron po sa
So, tayo yung silungan ito. Hindi na ako doon. Ano nga po ba?
Okay.
Baka naman. Kasi magugutom yung mga kaukuman niya. Siyempre, lahat ng mga nag-negosyo, hindi sa mga
Thank you, Mayor. Pero may ano lang po, clarification lang. You will
deliver service na rin.
deliver service today for free for 1 day.
I hope I can prolong, but you know, it's very expensive to operate or deliver SaaS operation. But for now, for all times, I guarantee, not a single peso. Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, pare, huwag na, 561 lang yun sa'yo. Ito, ilang buwan lang, another 400 billion lang. Baka wala naman akong may bayad. Pero, sabi ko, wala naman yung tao. With their good heart and sabi naman sila, pero hindi pa pinalami sa akin bukas. That's another story. Kasi madaming tao na release.
Since siyempre, yung payables po nila, hindi talaga nabawasan pa rin.
Hindi ba rin? Kasi itong data na to, nasa city treasurer.
Last question na po na yun.
Yes, please.
Siyempre, kumusta po yung transition niya?
Di ba ako nagkaroon ng transition kasi kanina ng DILG, maraming initial sa DILG, maraming hindi pinasok. Saka sa pagkaroon ko rin sa gobyerno ng Manila, hindi na ako nakakita ng transition na 4 beses na nag-meeting. Isang meeting pa talaga tapos nabigayan ng you know, I have a review of Mayor Sanchez, the Mayor Erasmo. There is a very good transition. Walang
Ipakabon na lang, sir. Are you looking for reconciliation sa
I am open.
administration?
I am open to reconciliation, but my emotion and relationship today is the least problem of the city. Saka ko lang problemahin yung sila ay mabubuti, hindi na ba sila magsisimangot, hindi na sila nalilinis. Hindi kasi that's emotion eh. That's personal. That's nothing to do with public service. Ngayon, tao muna. Problema muna na sila. Hindi yung mga kapritsyo lang namin, relasyon namin. Kasi yung tao umaasa. Ngayon, it will be longing for the government, the city government of Manila to happen naman discussion. But sabi ko kasi, nagkainakawan nga mga. But you know, that's what the other countries, we move on with our lives, we don't point fingers, we confront the problem, we value the people. Pupuntas here. Yun muna, yung emotion ko, yung relasyon ko, wala yun, wala pa yun. Saka ngayon, ba't tayo pili? Hindi lang ako interesado ngayon dahil namin so,